Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a x plus y, this is equal to negative 6 and product of x y, this is equal to 36, and we find the value of x and y. So let's start. Look at this equation. We call this our first equation and this is our second equation. Now we use these two equations. First of all, look at this first equation. We subtract a y on both sides of this equation, then we get x is equal to -6 and -y. We call this is our third equation. In the next step, we put this third equation into second equation. So this is the x and we replace x by this one, -6 and -y, and next is the y, which is equal to 36. Now multiply these two values, then we get -6y, -y square is equal to 36. In the next step, we add a y square and also add a 6 times y on both sides of this equation. So this is a -6 times y, -y square, add a y square and also add a 6 times y on both sides of this equation. This -y square and y square cancel. This -6 times y and +6 times y will cancel. We just get 0 on left hand side, and this is a, we rearrange this, we get y square plus 6 times y plus 36, and this is the quadratic equation. And in this equation, the coefficient of a is a y square, which is 1, and b is a coefficient of y, which is a 6, and c is a constant, which is a 36. And here we write the formula. So we have a y is equal to -b positive negative square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. So this is a negative b is a 6, positive negative square root, this is a 6 square, -4a is a 1, and c is a 36 over 2, and a is a 1. Now we simplify this. So y is equal to, this is a -6, positive negative square root 6 square is a 36, multiply these values, then we get 144 over 2 ones are 2. So this is a -6, positive negative, subtract these two values, then we get -108 over 2. We find the factor of 108. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14, and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and then again 3 1s are 3. So we write this as a 2 square multiply 3 square multiply -3 over 2. Now we simplify this, so we have a y is equals to -6, positive square and square root cancel, this will also cancel, so we just get 6 square root -3 over 2. Now in the next step, we write this as a 6 -1 positive negative square root 3 iota over 2. So now we simplify this, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So the value of y is a 3 multiply -1 positive negative square root 3 iota. So we get the two value of y. y1 is a 3 into -1 negative 3 times iota, and the y2 is a 3 multiply -1 positive 3 times square root 3 times iota. We use these two values and find the value of x1 and x2. For this we use the equation 3. So here we write x1 is equal to -6, negative y, and y is this one. So here we write these values. Now we simplify this, multiply these values, then we get +3, negative, negative will become a positive, 3 times square root 3 iota. So this is a -6, positive 3 is a -3, positive 3 times square root 3 iota. This is the value of x1, and in this case the y1 is a 3 multiply -1 3 times iota. We also write this as a -3 and -3 times square root 3 iota. So this is our one solution. Now we take this y2 value and find the x2. For this we use equation 3, which is a -6, and -3 into -1 positive square root 3 iota. So x2 is a -6, multiply these value, then we have +3 and -3 times square root 3 iota. Solve -6 positive 3 is a -3, and this is a -3 times square root 3 iota. This is the value of x2, and in this case the y2 is a -3 positive 3 times square root 3 iota. These are the possible solution.